Okay, we're going to be talking about our sevens facts. So sevens facts can be a little tricky, so we're going to use a strategy called use a 5. So I have this fact here, 6 times 7. This means 6 groups of 7. So I'm going to use a 5s fact to help me because 5 facts are easy for me. I can use my finger calculators to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I have 7 fingers up. So 5 groups of 7 is 35. 6 groups of 7 is just 7 more. So I just need to do 35 plus 7, and that gives me 42. That's my answer. You can also write down the 35 plus 7 down here to get your answer. Okay, and there it is. Let's try another one. This time I have 7 groups of 8. So I'm looking for 7 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 7 here. So I'm going to start with my 8s fact this time. And remember, I could have also started with my 7s fact. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, I can count by 5s on my fingers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Then 8 groups or 6 groups of 8 is just going to be 8 more. Okay, 40 plus 8 is 48. And then this is going to be 8 more, which is 56. So I could do this way and I get 56, or I could have talked about my 7s facts. I could have done 7 groups of 5, 7 groups of 6, 7 groups of 7, and then 7 groups of 8. Okay, if I start with my 7s fact, I have to do a little bit more, but that's okay. So 7 groups of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, then I'm just going to be adding 7 more every time. Okay, now I have one more group of 7. Now I have another group of 7. I'm going to add 7. Another group of 7. I add 7 more, and I end up with 56 as my answer again. Let's talk about using a 5 in a little bit of a different way. This time I have 7 times 4. So this is 7 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 7. So again, starting with my 5s facts, I have 35, 5 times 7. Now I have one less group of 7. So this time I'm going to subtract 7 instead of add 7 because I have one fewer group. I only have 4 groups of 7 instead of 5 groups of 7. So that is 28 as that answer.